Welcome to the English class. Last period we were discussing about the parts of speech. In that parts of speech, noun is the one of noun. One of the noun. What is the noun? Let me know that naming words are called noun. Naming words are called noun. Simply we can say naming words are called noun. So in that noun, 7 types of nouns are there. How many types are there? 7 types of nouns are there. In that, first one is the proper noun. First one is the proper noun. Proper noun, it refers to specific or some particular place or thing. Proper noun refers to specific or some particular place or thing. Means proper noun అనేది ఒక పర్టికులర్ ప్లేస్ ఆర్ థింగ్ యొక్క నేమ్ ని సూచిస్తుంది. ఇట్ రెఫర్స్ టు ఏ స్పెసిఫిక్ ఆర్ సమ్ పర్టికులర్ ప్లేస్ ఆర్ థింగ్స్ నేమ్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, విక్రమాదిత్య వాజ్ ఏ కింగ్. హియర్ విక్రమాదిత్య is a person name. Vikramaditya is the person name. It refers a proper noun. Rajasthan is a sandy area. Rajasthan is a sandy area. The Rajasthan is a word. It is a naming word. It is a place. It is a place name. The next one is collective noun. Second one, collective noun. It is a noun that refers to a group of persons or things that spoken of a word. A group of a persons or things. That names belongs to collective noun. For example, the class sounds to be a noise. The class sounds to be a noise. Next one, a bunch of flowers is beautiful. Here, class is a group of students. Class is the naming word. It refers to a group of students. That is the class. So class spokes the whole students regarding one class. So that is this one is the collective noun. A bunch of flowers is beautiful. So more than two, many flowers we called a bunch. The bunch of flowers is beautiful. So this one is bunch. Bunch, for example, class. These are the collective noun. It refers to a group of persons or things. Some more examples here given. List of some collective nouns. An army of soldiers. Group of soldiers we called army. An army of soldiers. Army refers to a group of soldiers. A bunch of grapes or bananas, etc. Means group of grapes or bananas that we called bunch. గుత్తి, తెలుగులో ఒక గుత్తి అంటాం కదా అది. A bunch of grapes or bananas. Next one is example, bench of judges. The group of more than 2 members judges we called a bench. Bench of judges. The next one, constellation of stars. The group of the many number of stars we called constellation. Constellation of stars. Head of cattle or buffaloes. A group of cattle we called that group we called head of cattle or buffaloes. The number of books collectively that we called a library. A library of books. Library of books. A pack of old thieves' cards. A pack. A set of clubs tools. A set of clubs tools. A team of action players. A team of action players. These are the collective nouns. Army, it refers to a soldiers, group of soldiers. The bench, this refers to a judges, group of judges. Bunch, a group of fruits, bananas, grapes, like that one. Head of kettles, constellation, library, pack, set of team. These are the nouns. It refers to a group of persons or things that we called collective nouns. Here, some more examples we can see now. Some more examples here given. A band of musician. A band of musicians. A bevy of girls. A bevy of girls. A board of directors. A board of directors. A crew of sailors. Crew of sailors. A fleet of cars, ships. A shoot of rooms. A shoot of rooms. A tough grass. A tough grass. A bouquet of flowers. A bouquet of flowers. A bundle of sticks. A bundle of sticks. A flock of birds, sheep. A flock of birds, sheep. A litter of pigs, puppies. A litter of pigs, puppies. A swarm of bees. A swarm of bees. A shoal of fish. A shoal of fish. A troop of lions, monkeys. A troop of lion, monkeys. A clump of trees. A clump of trees. A gang of thieves. A gang of thieves. A mob of people. A mob of people. A string of beads. A string of beads. A troop of dancers. A troop of dancers. Okay. Once again I repeat, listen carefully. These underlining words are the collective nouns. It refers to a group of, these refers to a group of things or persons. Okay, I can repeat one again. A band of musicians, a bevy of girls, a board of directors, a crew of sailors, a fleet of cars, ships, a shoot of rooms, a tuft of grapes, a bouquet of flowers, a bundle of sticks, a flock of birds, sheep, a litter of pigs, puppies, a swarm of bees, a shoal of fish, a troop of lions, monkeys, a clump of trees, a gang of thieves, a mob of people, a string of beats, a troop of dancers. Okay, then we will discuss in next class about the remaining nouns. Okay.